You can recognize this sound instantly. Steel wheels and steel rails create a harmonic rhythm. It's not random, it's physics. Joint gaps, speed, track condition. Every railway line has its own sound signature. Close your eyes. You know that sound. Headphones on.